Here is our rock rail system. This particular one is for the JL and the JT. It drops the mounting point down. We're pretty aggressive with that to keep the soft angles. You can see we have 3 hole positions here. Those hole positions is to adjust the caster. In addition to those 3 hole positions, our upper arm, which this bolts to, has a cam plate here. This cam plate will give you different cams, and those cams have different hole positions. So with the combination of these hole positions and these hole positions, there's really no caster that you can't achieve. So we have a standard kit that we offer. This will be your starting point, and this will come with your coils. This will come with your sway bar, end links. It'll come with bump stop drops, and it'll come with black arms. From there, you have the ability to customize the coils. You can customize the arms. You can add face plates and the different finishes to the face plate. So the combinations are really endless on what you can do with these kits. If you've been to the website, we have this ability on the website to change the arm and the faceplate color. So these faceplates are just held on with magnets. So let's say a customer has a hydro blue Jeep and they want to see what it looks like with a yellow faceplate. Maybe you want the opposite of that. Same 2 colors, but definitely different looks. In addition to all of the factory colors, we threw in a couple custom colors that are popular. Like this one is Jamaican teal. We work with Prismatic. They have about 6,500 different colors. There's any color under the sun you can pick from. So we've had a lot of customers stop by, share their Jeeps with us, share their photos and videos. We appreciate that, and we would love to see you at the next event.